Hey everybody, this is Tammy with the Woman Project, and guess where we are? We are live in Washington, D.C. at the Supreme Court, reminding all of the senators and the Senate Judiciary Committee that this vote needs to stop. We need to stop this vote. No on Amy Coney Barrett. She would take away IVF. We want everybody's reproductive rights to be protected. She wouldn't do that. That's why we came all the way here to the Supreme Court of the United States to tell our senators and all of the senators on the Judiciary Committee to vote no. No on Amy Coney Barrett. No vote before the inauguration. Let's let the people decide. She does not support transgender equality. We need to stop this vote. Period. No on Amy Coney Barrett. No vote before inauguration. Amy does not support disabled students or accommodations for disabled students. She can't go on the Supreme Court. Let's let the people decide. Let's let the people decide who they want to pick the next lifetime appointment to the Supreme Court. No vote before inauguration. Period. We are here to send a message that we're going to fight. We're not going to just let this go. We want to protect our court and protect our rights. You can call now to say no vote before the inauguration. Call the senators. Let them know we won't allow this. We won't allow them to try to force through a lifetime appointment to the Supreme Court with 2 weeks before the election. No, we won't allow it. This is the fight of our lives. We have to be prepared for it. But guess what? We are. We're going to keep fighting. No vote before inauguration, period. No vote before the election. No vote during the lame duck. No vote before inauguration. You can see the whole beautiful Supreme Court building all the way up. We got Jen over there taking some photos. We've got Jocelyn over there. Hey.
We are live, the Woman Project, at the United States Supreme Court, Washington, D.C. We're urging no vote before the inauguration. No vote.
So we are here. We drove about 8 hours today to come. So that's what we've done today. But we need everybody to stand up and fight for this. Every single person in the land. We need everybody to stand up and tell our senators that we will not allow this sham of a process. We will not allow this. They cannot force a vote before the election. Period. People are voting now. Millions of people have already voted. Let the people decide. They already stole one Supreme Court seat before. And they forced Kavanaugh through. We're not going to let it happen again. Did you know Amy Coney Barrett does not support marriage equality? Let's vote no. No vote before inauguration, period. No vote before inauguration. And then guess what? You guys all have to get out and vote. This is the first step. Delay this vote. Then we all have to go out and vote in the election. But no on Amy Coney Barrett. No vote before the election. Did you know that Amy Coney Barrett is not in favor of the Affordable Care Act? And there's a big Affordable Care Act case coming up next month. Do you want her to decide that? Do you want Amy Coney Barrett to decide the election, potentially, if it goes to the Supreme Court? That doesn't seem fair. No on Amy Coney Barrett. No vote before inauguration. Amy Coney Barrett would take away IVF. She doesn't support it. We believe in reproductive rights for everybody. She doesn't. So we're here to inspire the senators who are potentially contemplating this nomination right now, but we're here to inspire everyone out there as well, everyone at home watching. You can stop this. We can stop this. If we stand up and fight, we can stop this. Because Amy does not support disabled students. She doesn't support making accommodations for disabled students. Disability rights are absolutely on the line. No vote before inauguration, period. It's only right. We need to protect our court and protect our rights. And you can call now. That's one thing you can do. Right this minute, you can call to say no vote before inauguration. Period. Yep, and go ahead and share this stream. Tell your friends. We need to fight. We need to fight for this. Like, our lives depend on it, because guess what? They do. And for generations to come. Our rights depend on this. Our lives depend on it. Your children's lives. Your children's children. Your nieces and nephews. Everybody that comes after us. No vote before inauguration. Period. Let's stay engaged. Let's stay in this fight. We're all exhausted, but we have to keep fighting. There's no alternative. Amy doesn't support marriage equality. So we can't allow this nomination to get forced through. No vote before inauguration, period. Whose phone number? We're projecting. Is that the general phone number for the Senate that we're projecting? Yeah, that's the general number for the Senate. And if you stay tuned in the next couple days, you're going to see a video that has some more specific phone numbers in it as well. But start with that one. Fill up that voicemail first. Because Amy would take away the ACA, and there's a big ACA case coming up next month. We don't decide. Think about whether you want this person deciding that case, or whether you want the people to decide who should appoint the next Supreme Court justice, since people are already voting. Amy would absolutely undermine voting rights. The Voting Rights Act has already been gutted, as the great Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg noted in a very powerful dissent to that case. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to get back on here. But guess what? We're not done yet. We're at the Supreme Court right now. There's another important building just across the way. So stay tuned. Check back in with us in a little while. We'll have something else going to go on. But remember, stay in this fight. That's the most important thing. Stay in this fight. No vote before inauguration. We need everybody to fight for this. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes.